Students, let's solve the problem of riveted joint. Question number 5 from assignment 2. Two plates having 7 mm thickness are joined by triple riveted lap joint with chain riveting configuration. If tensile strength is 90 megapascal, compressive strength is 140 and the shear strength is 70 megapascal, then find the rivet diameter, pitch and efficiency. Now here the plate thickness is 7 mm. As per the Unwin's formula or Unwin's theory, the plate thickness when it is equal to or greater than 8 mm, you can use rivet diameter D is equal to 6 into root T to find the rivet diameter, right? But here the plate thickness is 7 mm, so we cannot use this formula. So what we have to do is, first we have to find out the tearing strength, then shearing strength and crushing strength, right? Now out of this shearing and crushing strength, whichever less must be compared with the tearing strength, then we can find the pitch. Once we find the pitch, we can replace that pitch value in the tearing strength to find out the rivet diameter. Okay, so this is our workflow. Because the plate thickness is 7 mm, you cannot use the Unwin's formula. Okay, so let's continue. So here tearing strength of plate PT is equal to pitch minus T D into sigma T. Okay, so let's put some value. So pitch is not known to us, even rivet diameter is not known to us, only plate thickness 7 mm is known to us, and the tensile strength is 90 megapascal. Okay, so let's summarize the equations. So it is 630 pitch minus D Newton. Now shearing strength, here we have to consider the type of joint. Here it is triple riveted lap joint. Okay, so if I draw over here the simple configuration to understand that what is given in the numerical, right? So this is lap joint. So here we have 3 rows of rivet. So here n is equal to 3, that we have to take, right? So n into pi by 4 d square into tau. Okay, so n is equal to 3 because it is triple riveted. Then pi by 4 d square into tau. What is given? The shearing strength is given 70 megapascal, right? So let's put 70. So let's summarize the equations. It comes out to be 165 approximately d square Newton. Okay, now let's find the crushing strength. So crushing strength equation is given. Again we have number of rivet rows, D into T into sigma CR. Let's take n is equal to 3 as it is given triple riveted lap joint. Rivet diameter is not known to us. The plate thickness is 7 mm and crushing strength is 140 megapascal. So let's summarize the equations. 2940 D Newton. Now here we have to compare the shearing strength and the crushing strength of the rivet to find out the rivet diameter. Okay, so we're going to equate it. PS is equal to PCR. So 165 D square is equal to 2940 D. We'll cancel out 1 D and let's find out the rivet diameter. Okay, it comes out to be 17.81, right? We are going to take it approximately round value 18 millimeter. Okay, now we have this value of rivet diameter, so let's replace in these previous equations. Okay, so we have shearing strength which is 165 D square is now 165 18 square. So the answer is 5340 Newton. Okay, same way let's find crushing strength which is 2940 D. So 2940 D means 18. So 2940 multiplied by 18. So it's going to be 5 920 Newton. Now this is minimum, right? So we are going to compare with the tearing strength of the plate. Okay, so here PT is equal to PCR. So PT is 630, pitch minus this, let me confirm it. Yeah, it is 630 is equal to this value, right? 52920. Okay, now here we already found out the rivet diameter 18. So let's replace with that value. So pitch into 630 into 18, 52920. So let's find the pitch value. It comes out to be 102 millimeter. So this is pitch value and the rivet diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, now let's find efficiency. Efficiency of the rivet joint is pitch minus rivet diameter divided by pitch. Okay, so we know it is 102 minus 18 divided by 102. So the final answer is 82. So the efficiency of the given rivet joint is 82%.